friends, today's recipe simple Ridge Gourd Curry. So you can see the ingredients. Take a kadai on the gas, allow it to heat. Now add 3 spoon oil. You can reduce it if you want. I have used 3 spoon oil. Allow it to heat. Now I am using 1.5 spoon chana dal, 1.5 spoon, half teaspoon udad dal, full udad. It will give taste. That's what I'm using. Half teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon jeera. Allow it to fry. So it is already fried. So ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon. This is, I didn't make paste. I will just rough paste I will prepare and I'll keep it. Taste will come very nice in oil. So red green chilies, 4 to 5, and curry leaves. So this is, mix it well and it is allow it to fry. Now we are using onion. 2 onion I have taken, fine chopped, 2 big onions. This is a very simple curry, Ridge Gourd curry. So you can prepare instant. For rice also fine. And you can see this is a 2 Ridge Gourd I have taken. Peel the skin and make small slices I have cut it. So you can fry it in oil. How much you will fry it in oil, the taste will come good. Instead of cooking in water, oil fried sabjis are taste will give good. So try it definitely. Close the lid. Allow it to cook 1-2 minutes. So this is cooked. Don't cook more. In water also we have to cook later part. So mix it. Now tomato too. Mix it well. So 1 to 2 minutes you can allow it to cook. It should mix properly. The taste should release in that. So we have to close and cook. So this is mixed. Mix it well. This is simple Ridge Gourd curry. You can eat with chapati, rice, or puri. It will give a nice taste. This is small spoon turmeric. 1 spoon is enough. And 3 small spoon red chili powder. This is Kashmiri lal. We already used green chilies. So how much you want you can eat. This is sambar powder. I have used 2 sambar powder. This is 1 spoon. 1 teaspoon is enough. So this is also, mix it well. Allow it to mix it well and cook it. You can use whatever sambar powder you want. You can prepare house prepared also you can use. This is, I have used idli sambar powder. You can go and watch in my videos. It is there. Now close the lid and allow it to cook 1 minute. That masala should mix properly. So this is almost mixed. Now this is a coconut, groundnut and roasted chana masala. This is, I have mixed in grinder and I am keeping here roasted chana 2 teaspoon, groundnut 2 teaspoon roasted, and coconut 2 teaspoon. You have to grind it in jar and mix it, and water. This is salt as per the taste and organic jaggery little bit, 1/4 spoon. All mix it. Now you can add water. So water consistency you can add as you want. If you want more thickness, you can use less water. If you want not more thickness, you can adjust as you want. So this curry became very awesome, simple, and very easy to prepare. Definitely try it and comment me in the comment box how is the curry. I like spicy, so I use little bit more spicy. You can reduce the spiciness if you want. So this is we have to allow to cook. So you can close the lid. So you can see the thickness is water is reduced. Thickness came nicely and color also came. So add the of coriander finely chopped. So you can off the flame. So you can see this consistency, color, texture. This curry become very awesome. First time I tried to prepare this and it is came very awesome. Definitely try it. You can serve hot with rice, chapati, puris. Our Ridge Gourd Curry is ready to eat. Definitely try it, guys. And message me in comment box. If you are liking my videos, hit the like button, share, subscribe. And thanks for supporting. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.